Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title guys Samsung phone guys phone talkback guys, how to use. Friends, you want to use guys Samsung phone talkback setting. So man, how to use Samsung phone talkback today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys Samsung phone setting, and we will on Samsung phone accessibility. Then guys, you can see talkback guys, we will tap here once you want to use. So guys, first of all you will have to on. So guys, we will on from here. After on guys, how to use, then double tap to continue setting as you can use. Guys, you want to scroll your phone. So with two finger guys you can use, one finger will not work. And friends, you want to on guys any setting, example guys, you want to on guys your home screen. So guys, one tap on home screen, and guys double tap to on your home screen setting, and two fingers you can use your talkback setting guys. So friends, you can use with your two finger, one finger click on back button and double tap to back, one tap and double tap to back. So a person guys who is blind guys, he can't see properly, so when they use talkback, how? Because guys they want to on settings, so when they tap on icon settings, so when they listen setting sound, and get they double tap to on setting, and guys they use talkback like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.